One Gaza. Remember we no go brother. Remember.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we will look at Vybz Kartel throwing shade at Alkaline. Alkaline also came back and clapped back at him on Twitter. Also, we have Vybz Kartel linking up with Sheeba and Nhance, and Sheeba also admitted he is his dad, right? Remember when Indy get arrested and she did come out and I say, we need him to stop with this narrative saying father this, that, and not because the police them arrest him, and she come out and say it. No, she can't say that back, you know. But anyways, guys, if this is your first time on my channel, please remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and share. Vybz Kartel and Sheeba linked up, and she also linked up with Nhance. This really shocked Vybz Kartel at the end of the clip. He was like, yo, but check this out.
Juvenile enough. I'm a big man, I'm proud of him. And if me like Bob, I'm more than proud of him. Hard work. Hard work, Sheeba. No? Forward. You're proud of your son too.
Are your daddy?
Oh, your daddy. No!
You guys can tell me what you think in the comment section.
Always asking the tough question. And since we're on that subject, do you ever anticipate a time when you level the vibes with Alkaline? I mean, it's a good water. It's very... That's it. We get Movado. If you were to acknowledge that there were influences that you brought to bear on his career, would that change things? Not his career, every career. The same way, I'm not afraid to say, Buju Banton, I'm the biggest inspiration. Ninja Man. So I'm not, why Vybz Kartel is so great, I'm not just Vybz Kartel, I'm a fan, I'm a student of the music. And once you accept that, you will reach far. If you don't accept that, you're not going nowhere. And that's just the truth.
But do you see a time when, you know, if he says what you think he needs to say?
No, I never said what I think he needs to say. I don't care what he wants to say. Like I'm saying, everybody know Kartel set the trend, and if I dress like you, people are going to know, regardless of if I admit it or not.
So there's no way there can be a kind of accommodation.
No, there's no bad blood either. I'm a grown man, and I'm a changed man, so we hold no grudges, and we don't eat fudges.
What do you think I'm gonna talk? Everybody's supposed to remember that song they bought Brata, where Alkaline do. But as the video says, I think it's shade, and obviously Alkaline think it's shade because he reacted. So check this out. So I was minding my business and then I saw this post. I got the notification like right after the videos were you know, popping up on my I guess you can say For You for Instagram. I saw he made a post. Obviously this is his reaction to Vybz Kartel's comment about, you know, the alkaline water. Boy, I cannot be bothered. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Big congratulations are in order for both Nhance and Vybz Kartel. They were both nominated for a reggae album of this year. Nhance was crying happy tears, of course, thanking all her fans and who helped her to, you know, reach this far. Also, Vybz Kartel made a post on his IG. So check this out.
Never Gets Late here, nominated for Best Reggae Album. Oh my god. I'm just trying to vote for me now. Thank you to everyone who listened to the project, who streamed the project, play it over and over. To everyone who helped me to curate the project, who stayed with me through freaking 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. in the morning. Like my engineers, like Jesus, my managers, my whole team. Oh my god. Guys. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna try to stop crying. I gotta go tell my son. Lord. Bye.
Congrats to both of them. I hope that they win. Tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. Now, the other day, Vybz Kartel was bold enough to give his political views on the American election results. And you know, a lot of Jamaicans don't really agree with Donald Trump based on the fact that, you know, what he bad things. I mean, not even going to get into that. But this is what Vybz Kartel said. He's the man for the job. And a lot of people were not pleased with that. But check this out.
Trump has won the American election. What's your reaction to that?
I mean,
is that good news for you?
Yes, he's the right man for the job. I believe so. I mean, I don't do identity politics. So not because you're black, I'm going to vote for you. What is your policy? What are your policies? So for me, I think he's the right man for the job. He deserved it. Big up Mr. Trump.
That's what he said. He said it is what it is. People have been saying maybe he just said that because he want them to give back his visa. But don't tell me one thing in the comment section about that. Nico Fire had a discussion on his podcast, and they were saying, you know, having a discussion asking who is the true king of dancehall. And, you know, most Jamaicans would, you know, say Vybz Kartel. But he's saying globally it would be Sean Paul. And it caused a controversial argument. But you guys check this out and make the decision.
But on the ground, Kartel are the man. Still.
Yeah.
On the ground. But in terms of dancehall itself, Kartel are not the biggest dancehall artist in Jamaica. Sean Paul would have been that. But on the ground, Kartel.
So
on the street and in the dancehall diaspora, a Kartel. But in the world, a Sean Paul, me still.
So who you would say I king of dancehall currently then?
King of dancehall, Sean Paul.
So we King of dancehall.
King of dancehall, Sean Paul, but the king of dancehall, local diaspora, Vybz Kartel. But we are talking about dancehall now.
Yeah, pan a worldwide scale.
Yeah, we are talking about dancehall, overall dancehall. Sean Paul, like king of dancehall.
True, I can't go around that.
Who might differ from me and who might say a lie, me I tell, it's because no dancehall, the history of the dancehall, music and
enough people that say the reason why them not give Sean Paul because to him no streets. Yeah.
But the dancehall him a do.
That may I say.
Alright then, Alkaline and streets.
Somewhat.
You not see Alkaline in streets, man.
No, as in music, then would I say street people
but Alkaline
would have more relate to
no,
it.
Alright then, when I try to go at is Alkaline, you not say Alkaline, because Alkaline say that look if you see me.
Yeah.
You not say Alkaline, but Alkaline is a dancehall artist. Me can't go say that Alkaline is not a dancehall artist because the people them not see him go up a Boom Sundays or people them not see him in a Taboo.
And you can't say, and nobody can say Sean Paul not do dancehall because him number one song, I think, I don't know if I'm first number one, but Temperature.
Brother.
Temperature, I want fully dancehall, fully.
Brother, Sean Paul a dancehall.
Fully dancehall,
Sean Paul a dancehall rhythm. Shidel. People now comment and tell me if I lie me and tell. Sean Paul do dancehall. You never hear Sean Paul at twang? Sean Paul not twang.
Never.
Sean Paul
no
not
collab, nothing.
No, not anyone can collab them Sean Paul. A matter of fact, Sean Paul is, I think, I'd probably say Sean Paul have one of the biggest dancehall songs them. Yeah, Sean Paul have whole heap of, Sean Paul have a lot of big song. Where it's a collab, but the fact that imminent, it's also dancehall.
Why the latest biggest song for dancehall?
Beenie Man now, because Beenie Man ever talk about my king of dancehall.
Yeah.
Beenie Man do him work, and I not business with Beenie Man work. But Beenie Man not reach
on a world scale, would have put Beenie over Kartel too, you know.
Yeah, Beenie Man bigger than Kartel worldwide.
Yeah.
And anybody debate on that, they don't know. A matter of fact, Beenie Man have the biggest dancehall line. But
what that? Zimzima.
Yeah, who got the keys to Mabima? You go anywhere in the world, you can't turn to somebody and say Zimzima. Them are going to finish it. Majority. But you can't just say a Kartel song. You can't have to a random person
out there in the world and do that.
Maybe Clarks.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe Clarks.
Maybe. Yeah,
And
but
maybe Fever too. But it's still not go big
Fever
like
big, but
Zim Zim.
Fever not big like, but like how. But look, Sean Paul have a big song and people can't know. Enough people don't know Sean Paul's song. Have a statement line where people might say, yo, but no. Like how them know Zim Zima.
Yeah.
So, and Sean Paul, the last time I check on a Sean Paul song, them, you know.
Maybe Give Me the Light or so.
Sean Paul have song big and Give Me the Light, man. Sean
True,
Paul have
true,
a
you
song
know.
when him do that girl. And the last time I checked, at about 2.3 billion views.
I must
And
say,
that-
Clean
and that they
Bandit. I must say.
Yes, it's same one. And it do the same time, I think it do the same time with Kartel the Fever.
True.
If me not wrong still. But
No.
yeah,
I
man.
think it do after.
But
not
I see him
sure.
about probably 9 years ago.
Yeah.
In the same time, man, Kartel last time I checked
No,
Kartel.
cause even Sean Paul a big go down there.
Yeah, that's the biggest dancehall song in a recent time with Spice. Same thing again, Sean Paul tonight.
Yeah.
Cause the Spice, Sean Paul and Shaggy.
Yeah.
But you have to know music and know music history. Now, we don't just come talk. Well, not to me, I select enough people. I say, but I'm a selector. We know music, man. And we don't just talk music and just talk do. We know where I say, man. We know where I say. So when me tell them, say, yo, Sean Paul are the man.
Yeah.
And my king of dancehall, just have it so. But in terms of the diaspora and where people them gravitate to and love on the ground,
Yeah.
a Kartel.
Kartel.
If you've reached this far in the video, thanks for watching. That's it for now, guys. I'll see you next time. But before I go, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share. Goodbye.